Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. How you doing? It's wee Paddy from across the shuck, and you're very welcome. This is an open tag response. Singing Toad put this up, and the title was "Same Brand, Fixed and Folder." So he just wanted to see. He was hoping people would do three if you've got it, but if not, just do one. But I happen to have four that I didn't even realize I had until this tag was put out. So, Singing Toad, here's my response to your fixed and folders of the same brand. And I'm going to start off with one of my favorite companies. They're a budget company, but they've been with me for years, and I genuinely love their products, as you know if you follow my channel. And it's Brother. And this is one of the Brothers fixed blades. It comes like this with a tech lock and all on it, micarta handles, and a beautiful Scandi grind, which is obviously more a woodworking bushcrafter book. There's a good weight in this knife. There's a good thick blade stock on it. It's incredibly well made, and it's only about, I think it's under £40 for this knife, which I just think, and that's with everything. I just think that's fantastic. It's actually screwed construction, so if you did want to take it off and fit your own scales, you can do it. There's a lanyard hole at the back. I wouldn't tend to use that with a fixed blade, but a beautiful knife. There's a nice swell in the knife. It's not a Coke bottle swell, but it's an all-rounded. It really is. It's well chamfered, really comfortable. You could work all day with this. There's no hot spots. And it comes in one of my favourite steels, which is 440C, which out in the field is perfect. Now, this isn't a true Scandi. It has a little tiny bevel, and it is only a tiny one that I put on there because um, it sounds silly because it's a working knife, but it just saves me having to reprofile all the time up the way, right up the whole blade. I can just get away with a little bevel for all I use. I don't use it for a whole lot, but it is a beautiful knife and it's in my collection. So that's the fixed blade. And then the folder I've got is the 1516. Oh, the 1516, which is beautiful carbon fiber, and it has the fish on it, some sort of weird fish. I can't remember what the name of it was, but it's a lovely clip point blade, and it's in VG10, which is two great blade steels there, 440C, VG10. Not a whole lot of difference between them, but they are two different knives that I love having in my collection, I'll have to say. So, lovely walk and talk in these. Really nice handle. Carbon fiber is beautiful. It's not just that basic. You can see that carbon fiber moving. It is stunning. And again, £30 or something for these knives. These are just quality beyond what you're paying. Really are. The next one, and I'm going to keep, nearly all these are sort of budget. San Remo. It's funny, I was just talking about them recently. This is my little small San Remo. Fantastic little knife. Super. It's in brass and stainless steel. 8CR13, I believe, on that one. And then you have this. This comes like this. Sorry, it's got a wee. It's not a tech lock. It's like a belt loop. You can put it over, but you can put it at different angles, which is really lovely. You just twist it to different angles, and then you have this gorgeous blade. Really beautiful blade. And the holes in the handle. It's so well hafted all the way around. Again, I can't remember what price this was, but it was, I'm talking well under 20, or, it was under 20 anyway. Really lovely, lovely in hand. And I know it's skinny, but for all you're going to do, this is just for light kind of work. But you can even use that in a pinch grip, and it's actually really comfortable. Beautiful knife, lovely high flat grind on this. Stone washed, as you can see there. But just a fantastic knife, and a cheap little... Oh! Why is it not gone in? Go in. I don't know why it's not gone in. Oh, there it is. That's it in. That was human error, not the knife's fault. So, San Remo, super little double there. And the next one is CRKT. And this is the small little CRKT. What do they call this? It's a Carson design. It's the F4 D2 or O2. but it's just a super little knife. G10 scales on it, which are screwed construction again. It comes with this little lanyard and a lovely little box opener, just a handy wee knife to keep in your pocket. This is so thin and small, I just stick it. There is a pocket clip in it, but I would just drop this in my pocket when I'm carrying it. It is super little knife from CRKT, and it goes with one of my other nice knives, which is the CRKT Homefront. This is the knife that you can take down. You just flick this up, spin the wee wheel at the back here. The knife drops into three parts. You wash it, put it back together again, and they come back together every time, centered. Just super knives, I have to say. Really, that's been, I don't know how many times I've taken this down, and I've never had to adjust it. Never had to adjust it. It just seems to come back. Now, they're not the best flippers. You have to give it a bit of a flick, but that blade shape is really boy's own sort of war knife. You know, the old American war movies, that sort of, you expect to see that sort of knife in them. I love this knife. It's fantastic. It doesn't have a great high steel. I can't remember what was on this. I think it's the Chinese Oz 8. I'm sure it's Oz 8, but it's a really lovely knife. Big blade, takes a wicked edge. It's a fair hunk. It's not thin behind the edge. This isn't your slicer, although it is hollow ground, but it's a really good work knife. Good stout knife. Love this knife. And I love this. This is just a wee cracker. I'd forgot I had this. So there we go. And the last is my favourite budget brand, full stop, for budget knives that I recommend to everybody. This is Rough Rider. And these are two of the best little knives you're ever going to get for pennies. I just think they give them away. This is the Congress. Isn't that just beautiful? And look at that. Look at that. Really, really beautiful. So well done. Mother of pearl on the either side. I think that's black mother of pearl. And then that other stuff in the middle that the name keeps going out of my flipping head. I can never remember the name of this stuff. Go back in all my videos and knives that I've got with it on. Never remember the name of it when I come to a video. But there you go, that's Paddy. So the blades you get in this little Congress, this is actually a great little whittling knife. You know, you get that beautiful coping blade, absolutely lovely. You get this lovely, I would say that's a sheep's foot. And then you get a pen blade, and then you get a small pen blade. Absolutely super and beautiful little knife. I really enjoy this. To get this for the price is just silly money. And this is one of my favorite little fixed blades, and it's genuinely true. I love this. Look at this. This is your letter opener, your box opener, your sit at your desk. It's just beautiful. I would put it in a wee stand like that on the desk. It's absolutely stunning. So well made. Takes a wicked edge. And it's only 440A. This is the RR1033. 440A. And it is just a little gem. Look at that bone. Jig bone. I love that Rough Rider shield. No sign of the big R's on this, thank goodness. It's a three-finger knife and your hand goes at the bottom, but you're locked in, completely locked in. Lovely little knife. If you wanted to skin a squirrel or anything like that, a rabbit, a small bird, a fish, will actually do fish. Little trout would be perfect. Lovely little knife, and they are for literally nothing. They may as well just give Rough Riders away. For the quality that you get, and you just cannot complain whatsoever. So, Mr. Singing Toad, I hope that has covered what you asked. Let me just put all these back up here and you can have a wee quick look at them. They are my fixed blades and folding blades with their responding knives. There you go. Thank you very much. I didn't know I had 4 of them, so you learn something every day. Take care. Buddies away. Cup of tea time. Bye now.